Christmas is a magical time of year, celebrated in many different ways all around the world. Join us as we explore how people in different countries enjoy this festive holiday. In the United States, families often decorate their homes with bright lights, wreaths, and Christmas trees. Children hang stockings by the fireplace, hoping Santa Claus will fill them with toys and treats on Christmas Eve. Carolers go door to door, singing holiday songs, spreading joy and cheer. In Mexico, Christmas is filled with colorful traditions like Las Posadas. This celebration reenacts Mary and Joseph's search for shelter before Jesus was born. Families also make star-shaped piñatas filled with candy and treats, which children eagerly break open during the festivities. In Germany, Christmas markets are a beloved tradition. Families gather to enjoy gingerbread cookies, warm drinks, and beautifully crafted decorations. Another tradition is St. Nicholas Day on December 6th, when children leave their shoes out to be filled with small gifts and sweets by St. Nicholas. Nicholas. In the Philippines, Christmas is celebrated with dazzling lanterns called parols, representing the Star of Bethlehem. This country has one of the longest Christmas seasons in the world, starting as early as September. Families come together for Simbang Gabi, a series of early morning masses leading up to Christmas Day. Christmas in Australia happens during the summer. Instead of snow, Australians enjoy sunshine, barbecues on the beach, and outdoor games. Many families also decorate their homes with lights and sing carols by candlelight under the warm night sky. In Italy, the nativity scene, or presepe, is the centerpiece of Christmas decorations. Families come together for a big feast on Christmas Eve, and on January 6th, children receive gifts from La Befana, a kind old witch who visits homes to leave presents. In Sweden, Christmas begins with Saint Lucia's Day on December 13th. Children dress as Saint Lucia, wearing white robes and candle crowns, and sing songs to bring light and joy during the dark winter season. Families also gather to enjoy traditional foods like ginger cookies and saffron buns. Christmas is celebrated in so many wonderful and unique ways across the globe. But no matter where or how it's celebrated, the spirit of Christmas is always about love, joy, and togetherness. Merry Christmas to everyone around the world.